Hey guys, hope everyone is fine and enjoying the weekend post Independence Day. While we are breaking records at the Indian box office, there is yet another record we have broke in remaking a film that has already had 28 remakes to its name. Yes, Perfetti Sconosciuti, also known as Perfect Strangers, is an Italian film that holds the Guinness record for being remade 28 times. जिसमें से 4 तो हम इंडियंस ने ही बनाए हैं। और जब रीमेक्स की बात करें और अक्षय कुमार का नाम साथ में ना ले तो वो तो सरासर नाइंसाफी होगी। द मैन हु विजिट्स आवर बिग स्क्रीन्स एवरी मंथ जस्ट कैन नॉट डू विदाउट अ रीमेक। एंड दिस ब्रिंग्स अस टू खेल खेल में, where 7 friends, 3 couples and an aging bachelor get together for a wedding and decide to play a game where they surrender the privacy of their phone. Much like love today.
अपने फोन्स को अनलॉक करके इस टेबल पे रख देते हैं। जिसको भी कोई कॉल या मैसेज आएगा सबके सामने खोल के पढ़ ले। आई थिंक इट्स अ ग्रेट आइडिया।
इस दौरान सबके सीक्रेट्स धीरे धीरे अनफोल्ड होती है एंड थिंग्स इवेंचुअली गेट ट्विस्टेड। वी नो वेयर दिस इज हेडेड।
हमेशा बैकअप करके रखते हैं।
क्या बैकअप करके रखते हैं?
ओ जी वो बैकअप।
Even though director Mudassar Aziz tries to keep his viewers engaged, he loses the plot due to dragged, monotonous scenes that could have been shortened for crisper runtime.
लेकिन किसके फोन में क्या है किसे पता? क्या कर रहे हो फोन में?
काम कर रहा हूँ।
2.25 घंटे की फिल्म है, बट फिल्म इजीली 4 घंटे की लगती है ड्यू टू वेरियस बैक एंड फोर्थ बिटवीन द लीड्स that don't add any value to the overall narrative and feels like a slap to the audience in the name of comedy. The girls look ravishing, especially Chitrangda Singh and Taapsee Pannu. And the guys bring the blink. But the emotional core of the subject get buried under lackluster humor.
I need your body, Sam. काश यहाँ होते मेरे बिस्तर में।
It's an unknown bloody number. इसके पहले कोई मैसेज नहीं है इस नंबर से।
एक काम करना, उस पे फोन करके देख ले।
Akshay Kumar is missing the oomph and lacks the charm he once possessed in the films like Bhagam Bhag, Hey Baby, Bhool Bhulaiya. This man has oversaturated his presence on the screen, and though he has built a successful career based on a concept of cost-effective movies, his recent ventures such as Bade Miyan Chote Miyan, Sarfira and now Khel Khel Mein are commercial ventures where his screen presence is just not enough to lift the entire movie off. It's great to see Fardeen Khan back again. But अक्की भैया आप बस रहने दो।
ऋषभ को किसी कॉल गर्ल एजेंसी का ईमेल आया है।
क्या हुआ? कौन मरा?
अपना सुपर हीरो संजय दत्त एकदम बिंदास भाई, क्या सुपर मूवी।
साउथ की फिल्म अच्छी है, हिंदी डबिंग में अच्छी है।
दिमाग की किरकिरी हो गया यार।
Moving on from cringe to more cringe. Anyway, this week amidst the mass plethora of Bollywood movies that released on Independence Day came one of the most awaited and most anticipated release of the year. A spiritual sequel to Smart Shankar released back in 2019. Why am I calling it spiritual sequel? Well, because it's conceptually same as the original, with the only difference being Satyadev, who's replaced with our very own Sanju Baba. बाकी सब वही है. Over the top action, women being objectified for glamour, and मसाला के नाम पे unwanted humor.
ये छमिया और अंदर जाके नजर उतार लेना, नहीं तो शंकर की नजर लग जाएगी.
Big Bull, played by Sanju Baba, is high-profile gangster who wants to achieve immortality and decides to transfer his memories to smart Shankar,
वही अपना टारगेट है.
who is back to his gundagardi after the events of the last film. This is by far the most lazy sequel I have ever seen, as director Puri Jagannath has made the same film thinking किसी को पता नहीं चलेगा, when unfortunately it's clearly evident even in the teasers and the trailers that have previously dropped for the movie. Conceptually, if you have a problem with the narrative, wait, there is more. To make the torture double, just like the title of the movie, we are introduced to a character called Boka, who is shameful representation to the tribal community I have ever seen. Always looking for women to have sex with and is carrying around an object in the shape of male genitalia. These scenes neither make you laugh nor add any essence to the overall narrative, but make you wonder, यार ये torture कब खत्म होगा?
पता है मैं कौन हूँ?
सर के पीछे यूएसपीसी पोर्ट लगाकर घूमने वाला इडियट सिर्फ वही है.
But I'll tell you, it won't. Not until 2 hours and 42 minutes, which is the overall length of the movie. 2 hours and 42 minutes. जहाँ Bani J, who plays Bentley, Big Bull's right-hand woman, is mostly typecast as a loud-mouthed rather than anything else. Kavya Thapar, who plays our leading lady, is constantly harassed by the protagonist, to the point where he tries to grab hold of Kavya in every way possible. There is a scene where Shankar tells his friends, "चमड़ी देख इसकी, हाथ लगाऊंगा तो मैली हो जाएगी." And the camera quietly pans to her thighs. This makes me wonder, क्या बाबा, is this the brain you chose for a brain transfer? Like seriously, और कोई मिला नहीं पूरी दुनिया में?
मेरा दिमाग तेरे भेजे में घुसने वाला है, तू मेरी तरह बदलने.
If you intend to watch soft porn, you would be surprised to know that Double Smart has it covered for you.
अपन का स्टाइल क्या है मालूम? आइटम कड़क है तो सिटी मार, डीन चेक बीट है तो स्टेपा मार.
In fact, you'll appreciate how detailed the film is for this genre. There is a mother angle, an angle about South Indians don't want to be living with North Indians, and also Shankar transforming into Lord Shiva in the climax. But who cares? This is a film about Shankar, a man who saves the password of his Swiss bank account holding $120 billion as I love you Jannat. Double Smart. आपको ये रिव्यू कैसी लगी कमेंट सेक्शंस में ज़रूर बताना, and for more reviews keep watching my channel. Until then, this is Movie Medusa signing off.